Cool Trains in Montreal. I'm here at Dorval and walking up from the back of this train to the front of the train paid off. So I got a 2-for-1 here. Actually 3, because there's a EXO train in the station there with an ALP 45 DP. There's the Via train leaving. LRC and an F40PH. With a really old coach with the 40th anniversary. And it looks like, yeah, all those trains are leaving. There's the ALP 45 DP leaving as well on the commuter. And that was a short, really short CSX train, CN 327. So if you like what I'm doing, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.